Hey guys, what up, what up? This is Rune Rifter here, and this is going to be a quick tutorial video on how to build a cool dang walking stick at the comfort of your own home. We're going to be using some special supplies for this, by the way. We're going to make this kind of a cool out, like, nature preserve walking stick. So, yeah, you can decorate it however you want, but if you have these exact same supplies, I have some leg bones. I have a thigh bone on the camera. I got my other leg bones. Who we all hating? You all hating bones. Alright, so, okay. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna need you. Don't worry, I'm not gonna do anything with the knife yet, guys. Okay, so I need, oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? I need you. And basically the first thing we're going to do is we're going to want to I'm going to add a skull up top here, just a little one, for added detail. If you guys want to, decorate it however the heck you want. I'm not here to tell you exactly how to do it. I'm just here to show you the basics. And, oh, let's see. There we go. And the handle's going to be right here because there's a nice grip where it is. And, yeah. This seems about right. We want it down at least there, so we're gonna want to cut. We're gonna want to cut about here. No, we're gonna want to do this, and just trying to get this underneath here. Oh, shoot! Here, you know what? We're gonna pause this, and we're gonna be right back once I have this ready. Alright, so I'm going to wrap this around, and you know what, I'm not going to try to tie it at all, because that's just extra work. If you guys want to know, you can just wrap this around, make sure you adjust it to the right area, being a little stubborn there, and then you want to get some tape, some beautiful tape, and, yeah, I just need to, get some more of you off. Then I want to find a way to rip you off. Sounds kind of graphic. Come on. Here, do you want to help me here? Cameraman?
Sure.
Right, and now good. That's good. Now just rip it off. That's not going to do. We need a better strand right there. Yeah, as you can see on the camera, now just rip it off sideways. Rip it, don't clench it. Don't, Max. I mean, don't clench it. Okay, next strand, take 3. Now rip it off sideways. Sideways. There we go. Very good. All right. Now what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to wrap this around, and there we go. Now all we gotta do is start securing this, fastening it. Okay, and let's see here. I say this is pretty good. So this, I just wrapped it around a bunch of big mess. You guys probably will do it better at home, but this is just a quick little tutorial. And we'll be back once we have a few of these on here. Okay guys, just a quick little heads up. I have these nice little rolls of leather. And I have my trusty rusty knife tool here. Just wanna... Basically what I'm doing, as soon as you have a good length of stuff, then you want to try and cut off. Okay, there we go. I just cut some off. And also guys, quick tactic, zoom down here, cameraman. This is what you want to do. I forgot to do this before we actually started, and well, here we go. So we have stuff. We have tape here ready at my disposal for whenever I want something new. Whenever I want a new thing. Let's bring you up here. Let's tie you around. Let's actually put this in a different area as before. So this is sticking out this side. I want this to stick out this side. So if you time it, if you get it just right, then you'll be able to do this. You'll be able to tie better. And it will look cooler as well. So it's more diverse in its areas. When I'm done with this, I'm probably gonna have... Okay, yeah, I'm probably gonna have a bunch of tape around here when I'm ready for that. But right now, oh shoot, stupid wind, stupid wind. That do too much damage? Oh, it's actually unraveling in here. Okay, that is not good. Okay, dang it. Not going as planned here, guys. Not going as planned. Here, let's... Oh, okay. Skrat. Tung tung tung. Skibidi pop pop. And a skrum tung tung tung. Yes, I'm doing a cringy, whatchamacallit, thing. I'm doing a cringy thing here. Very cringy. Okay, this should be good. You don't want to tug on this too hard, just give it a little quick bit. Okay, yeah, this needs to change as well. Let's get some more tape. Ew. What is this? What happened to the tape? That's gross. Some weird crap on the tape. Crap on the tape. Crap on the tape. Okay. So yeah, this seems good for now. Let me just... Okay, it's still not doing it, but we're not going to put a lot of weight on it. This is what it looks like so far. For some reason, tape is very inefficient when it comes to leather, but that's fine. Hey, we can make it work. Does this seem good? Okay. Okay, there we go. We have another strand of leather. Let's put you on this side. And now I have a tape left here. I have my mix tape. What, guys want to buy my mix tape? It's fire. My mixtape is called Rifter's Life. Yeah. I already feel you guys cringing behind the computer screens at home. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is alright. None of them are really over here like I wanted them to be. But that's fine. I think this is the last we're gonna... Actually, no, we need 4 of them. So now I'm gonna try to get 4. Apple juice in here, Robbie. Okay. Oh, oh no, no. That's a bad stick. Bad stick. Bad stick. Here, thank you. Thank you. Cameraman. You're the man. Cameraman. Okay. I'm gonna want you sticking out about right. No. Nope. Nope, stop doing that. Right about here. Okay, you can let go. Okay. Rune Rifter's back at it once again. With the stuff that doesn't cooperate. Come on. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to make an extra strand of tape. Tape! Here, do you want to rip off one? Yep. Might be a little too close for them to see, but he gave a thumbs up. Yeah, that's good. There we go. Very good. Is good. And this is good. All is fair in Rifters United. Alright, now it's time for the final little detail, the final little thing. So this is good. I'd say this is pretty good. I'm gonna go hiking a lot with this. So now what we need to do is we need to add some more tape. Yes, some more tape. You heard me correctly. And this part isn't that interesting. I'm just going to add tape all around here so that's tighter. So in the meantime... Okay. Stretch my neck. Stretch my neck. Okay, so now what we're going to do is put the leg bones on here. And you know, for this I'm going to need... Let's give this a nice long strand of tape. Okay. This tape is really good. It should be fine. And bada beam, bada boom. Mr. Rune Rifter as he steps in the room. So we got our first little piece of, we got our first bone on here. This is actually going to be a two-part video. First part's going to be this, the essentials, and the second part is going to be about the final details, which is going to be, actually, I'm probably going to add this right here. Actually, you know what, cameraman, let me see the timing on here. What are we at? We are at 14. Okay, then we're good. I think we'll have plenty of time to add the last few stuff, except for the last detail, which will be the skull on top of here. So, yeah. Okay. I'm just going to do this quick part. And then we will take, and then we're just going to jump cut to when I have everything. Not right now, cameraman. after this. Here, can you bring the camera up here so they see what I'm doing? You can bring it over here a little. That'd be great. Basically, this is what I'm doing. I put this leather thing on the bone, and now I'm starting to wrap tape around it to secure it. And you know... Oh, shoot. It's okay, though. Oh, shoot. Are you kidding me right now? Okay. Okay, that did not work. So what we're going to do is we're going to try a different tactic. We are going to wrap this around. Oh my god. You know what? Cameraman, pause the video. So this is the final product. Well, not the final, because we still got to put this on. And yeah, that'll be fun. Or maybe I won't. Maybe I'll... Yeah, maybe this is good. I actually kind of like this, but we actually have one more thing to do. And this one's not going to take too long, but let me put this back, so... I'll be right back, guys. God, I have to use the bathroom. Anyway, so this is, I'm gonna make a handle where exactly I put my, my hand. So this is how you make a walking stick, Nibba. Let's see. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to somehow calculate exactly how much leather I need. Yeah, this is leather too. Oh god. Okay, I think I might need the whole thing. Let's try to tie it around here. Just like this. This might be a while, so I might consider pausing this video right about now. Alright guys, well this is the end result. All I did was wrap a bunch of this, what am I doing? Anyway, all I'm doing is just, I just wrapped some leather, some blue lace leather around here to make a handle. I taped the two ends like I usually do. And yeah, that's about it. I will see you guys next time. But until next time, stay awesome, Rifters. Peace out.